Hey guys, here's another really quick one for a new body style Pathfinder.
If you guys have a 2013 body style Pathfinder whose brake lights are staying on, and you have no trouble codes from the car, from any module, body control module, engine diagnostic trouble codes, or anything, and if you have surging from your gas pedal from a stop, from a red light or a stop sign, it is because you're having an issue with your brake relay. So because these newer cars will not operate, you can't put your foot on the gas and the brake at the same time. It won't let you proceed. It won't let you accelerate. So what will happen is the car will automatically know that your foot is on the brake and the gas at the same time. And since it's an electronic throttle, fly-by-wire throttle, it won't let you open up the throttle body to start accelerating. But when you have an issue with your brake relay and it stays in a closed state, which shows that your brake lights are staying on, the car thinks your foot is still on the brake pedal. So that's why you're getting the surge from a stop, from a red light or after a stop sign. The relay is sticking, so it's sticking closed. And so what you need to do is just go under the hood. Anyone can do this at home. Go under the hood, take this little cover off with your fingernail on one of the sides, just like this. Look underneath and you'll see it says front right there. So put it down just like this. So, whoop, there goes my light. Front is just like this. So look, there's your ICC BRAKE stop lamp relay. So if you match it up, it's this relay right here, the blue relay on your right here. All you have to do to get the relay out is push this little tab in with a flathead screwdriver or a pick, and the white plastic and the blue of the relay is going to come up with me, but just give it a wiggle left and right. Sometimes you got to be kind of aggressive about it. And there it is. Here's your part number. Once this guy focuses for me. 25230-79917. All you have to do is go to Nissan, go grab a new one, and literally plug it right back in. Just like this. Put your cover back on. And you're done. Now you don't have to go to the dealership and pay an hour of labor to replace one stinking relay. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. I just changed my name from NickTech360 to Midnight Mechanics, because my cousin has always called me the Midnight Mechanic because I work very late in my garage on cars. Anyways, thanks. Leave some feedback, guys. Thank you very much.